Hey friend, has your Windows computer started to feel slow lately? Many people blame the hardware inside their machine. That is a mistake. The problem is usually the software you use. Today I am showing you 8 free apps. These tools changed my setup. You can get them from the Microsoft Store. Let us get to work now. The first app is Trumpet. The default volume mixer in Windows is old and hard to use. Go to your taskbar, click on the Microsoft Store icon, type Trumpet into the search box. Click on the app and press the blue Get button. The file is small and it will install on your PC right away. The installation is finished. Look at the speaker icon in your taskbar. If you do not see it, click the small arrow. Drag the icon down from the Hidden Icons menu. This makes it easier to find. Now left click on that icon. Look, a beautiful volume panel has opened up with separate sliders for every app you use. Change the master volume using the top slider. Below that you see separate controls for every app you have open. Are you listening to music and using a browser? You can increase the music volume while you decrease the browser volume. Rotate your mouse wheel while hovering over a slider. It is so easy. Is it not amazing? The second tool is Quick Look. This is a famous Mac feature. It works great on Windows too. Search for Quick Look in the store and install it. Now go to any folder, find a place with many images or files. Select any single file with one click. You just want the file highlighted for the next step. Now press the space bar on your keyboard. Look at the screen. A large preview of the file has appeared without opening any heavy software. This will save you time. Press the space bar again to close the window. You can also use the ESC key. This trick works for images, audio files, and even video files. It is fast. Keep the preview window open and use the arrow keys to move to other files. The images load very fast. If you have an old PC, this tool is a blessing. It puts less pressure on your system than default apps. I use this every day. It saves time. It makes your daily work very fast. It is surprising. Third on the list is TreeSize Free. Is your hard drive getting full for no reason? Install it from the store. When you open it, select the option to run as administrator. This is very important. Click the Select Directory button in the top corner. Choose your C drive from the list. The app will start to look at all folders. The app will scan your whole drive quickly. It will show you a tree map. The folders written with big letters take up the most space on your disk. Click the small arrow on the left to see what is inside. This is better than the default properties window. You can see everything clearly and find the big files quickly. Right-click on any big file to delete it if you do not need it. Be careful. Do not delete any system files. I made a mistake once and deleted something important. I had to bring it back from the recycle bin. Managing your storage is very easy now with this tool. Try it today and see. Let us move on to the next apps. These tools will make your computer even more powerful. I hope you are finding these tips helpful for your setup. If you like this, take a look at the subscribe button. I try to solve real problems for you here at PC Error Detective. There is no pressure. Let us continue now. App number 4 is ShareX. This is the king of screenshots and screen recording. Download it from the store and open the app. Click on the capture menu on the left side. You will see many options there. You can capture the full screen or a specific window. Recording a GIF is also possible with this tool. Try it. My favorite feature is the scrolling capture option. Do you want to take a picture of a long web page? This option will scroll down and turn the whole page into one image for you. Go to the Tools section. You will find a color picker there. There is also an image editor and a video converter. It is nice. 5 is Microsoft PowerToys. This is made for power users. Install it and open the settings. Press the Windows key, the Shift key and the slash key all at once. Look at your screen. You can see a guide for every shortcut. Use the Fancy Zones feature to divide your monitor. This makes it easy to arrange windows. Do you want to resize many images quickly? Just right-click on the files and select Resize Pictures. You do not need to open a heavy editor. There is also a color picker and a text extractor. Getting these features for free is a great deal. Trust me, you will see a big difference in one day. It is powerful. 6 is Adobe Express. Are you new to graphic design? Do not worry, Adobe Express makes it easy. Get the app from the store, sign in with your account. You will see buttons for quick actions on the home screen. You can remove backgrounds or trim videos in seconds. It is a simple process that anyone can do without training. Go to the templates section on the left side. There are thousands of designs. Use the filter to select the free option. This way you only see the designs you can use. Pick a design you like. Put your own text and images into the design. Making professional posts or a logo is easy. Try it out now. 7 on the list is the web browser. You do not have to use Edge. Try Vivaldi if you like to change how things look. If you care about privacy, the Brave browser is a great choice. Firefox is also a good option. When you get them from the store, the updates happen automatically. This makes managing your software simple. The last app is VLC Media Player. The default player in Windows often fails to play certain files. VLC can play almost any audio or video file you have. It is clean and does not send your data to anyone. Open a video and rotate your mouse wheel. This is a handy way to control the volume. It is reliable. Try these 8 apps today. Your experience using Windows will change. I use all of these on every computer I own. The results are amazing. My work is much faster now. Which app will you try first? Tell me in the comments below. I read every comment. Subscribe to the channel now. I will see you soon.